guys, so it's me, JM Manata, as always. So wait, I just gotta give this shit. It's actually my mom's birthday today. Last year, I surprised her with a big flower with money on it, and then we go outside to eat. So I was planning to make her an ice cream cake, and I don't know if my plan's going to work. Okay, so my mom is not here, she's outside. I had to make my plan work. Okay, so I was planning to make an ice cream cake with her. So it's not her birthday yet, but later at 12 a.m. it's gonna be her birthday. So I was planning that while she was laying down on bed, I can surprise her, like give her the flower, the cake, that's it. Just to be a sweet girl for her birthday, okay? That's what I always do. I don't know what time, but because I need some people to help me to do it, because I can do it by myself, but it's just the thing that I need is in them. I just gotta wait. So later, we'll go downstairs and make it. And lapit mo. Everything is now good. So, actually, I didn't think na magagawa ko to. Tingnan to, kasi nga, basta, yun, wala kasi si ate, tapos, hindi ko magawa ng ibang part. So, it was like, ayun, I was happy because I did it. And, look! So, yun guys. So, everything is good now. So, actually, we're gonna clean some stuff in there, and then, hindi ko na ipapakita yung ibang part kasi ang pangit na. Happy birthday, Ma!
Ay, thank you!
Ice cream cake.
Sana all may mula. Sana all.
Ano yung naman yan, na? Ay, wow! My favorite!
Favorite ko yan, anak. More ice cream cake.
Ngayon na yung kakainin? Hindi. Ito pala yung pinabisiyan ng dalawa, oh.
Ito ba?
Uy,
Pasalit kami.
ice cream cake. Wala. Bukas pa yon. Ay, mamaya pa yung gabi.
Mamaya, inuman niya mamaya.
May sakit yun eh. Baka hindi yun mag-ano. O, enough na anak.
Ano, sakit lang po.
Alam mo na.
Yung sinabi mo?
Oo. Nangihina yun. Ito.
Panaginip ko na